Here's how to blur the video background in CapCut PC. First, import the video you want to edit into your CapCut project. Once it's added, right-click on the video layer and select Copy. Then right-click again and press Paste. Place the duplicated layer exactly on top of the original, so both are perfectly aligned. Now select the top layer. Go to the top right panel, click on Video, then open Cutout. From there, choose Auto Cutout and wait for it to process. This will remove the subject from the background. Next, select the bottom layer. Go to the Effects section in the top left menu and search for Blur. Drag and drop the blur effect onto the bottom video layer. Now your background is blurred while the main subject stays clear. You can adjust the blur intensity from the settings panel on the right to get your desired look. That's it! Your blurred background video is ready in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.